Hello, this is Amos the Math Guy. Just making a quick video for students in Texas, Katy, Tyler, Longview, and around the world. I want to talk to you about this year's Pi Day Math Challenge. Pi Day is coming up, of course, 3/14/25, and so I'm going to do a math competition, okay? There are 3 levels to this, and they follow my volume demarcation. I have elementary school math and pre-algebra category, I have algebra 1 and 2 category, and then I have geometry and trig category, right? And if you're in calculus, we'll get you a category as well. But here's what we want to do with this with these categories. It's not just like any other math test. We're going to test your knowledge of math history as well. And we actually have a textbook called Journey Through Genius. Not a textbook, but a book. This is a story, okay? This is, well, it's a series of stories, but it's the stories of the context for the mathematical discoveries that people made. So when you talk about Newton's law of gravitation, okay, what's going on in the 1660s? Why did Newton do what he did? Who are the people that inspired Newton to do what he did? That's the level we're going for. Now, why is this important? Because if you understand the historical context that gave rise to the ways that these people were thinking, you will become so good at math. You'll be so good at physics. You'll be so good at chemistry because you're not just consumed with the procedural calculations, which ChatGPT can do for you in a second, but you're now thinking about, okay, Robert Boyle is out here and Newton is over here and they're doing some math and they did it to understand, well, Newton did his to understand the motion of the planets and better, come up with this fluxions, calculus, right? You're getting in-depth understanding. Knowledge is cheap. Anybody can get knowledge anywhere. But here's the question. Do you know the why? Do you know who inspired Newton? Do you know who inspired Euler? Do you know who inspired Einstein? Do you know that you can become the next Newton? That you can become the next Einstein? If you have the right proper training, you can break barriers on all levels. You can be the best physics student in the world. So how does that happen? Let's go back and learn about these people. Journey Through Genius. Let's read the stories. This was the book that inspired me when I was back in college in 2007 to 2010. This was the book where I read about Isaac Newton and I was just like, man, this is so good. And here I am today talking about Isaac Newton. So we're going to do a tournament. Okay, there's going to be problems. There's going to be 20 math problems for everybody. So for each category. So you can sign up for one of the categories. The first step now, we haven't put up the website link, but if you want to get in as soon as possible, just email amos@amosthemathguy.com, amos@amosthemathguy.com. Middle schoolers, high schoolers. As I said, there's elementary school math, so parents, you need to be the ones to email and let us know if your child is interested. On Pi Day, we'll release the questions, we'll grade the questions, and we'll announce our winners. The winner will get a copy of Journey Through Genius, okay? So, get one. Well, actually, they have it already. I'll get them the other one, Mathematical Universe. Subscribe for more and have a blessed